Hey from Laundry Talk. Today I have an awesome review of this Samsonite bag. I am so in love with this bag. Oh my gosh, here's a 360. It is amazing. So get ready to be awed by this bag and get one yourself if you want to at the end of this video. All right, so I'm going to start off by showing you the top of the backpack a little bit closer. The front view. I love the fact that it has two pockets, one on each side to hold like your water bottles, but it really holds it in place. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, this is a nice strap. It holds it in place and it doesn't like get like extra bulky like after a while of using it. So I love that on both sides. And here's the bottom. I like these rubber things that it has on the bottom so it can like keep it sturdy wherever you put it down. All right, so, and then the back, of course. So look at this. So let's get started. So the front of the backpack has one zipper on the top. I love the fact, here you go. I have a bunch of stuff in there. It holds a lot. Let me put my hand in so you can see how deep it goes. So like it goes approximately up to here. So you get this much pocket space and it goes across the whole top. Then in the front, it has this zipper and it goes down to here. So you get this whole space over here, up to where you see the black leather looking part. And it has a lot of space for your cards. So that's awesome. Then in the front, it has one zipper here. And inside, you have like two big slots that go all the way to the bottom. And I just happen to have this inside, but that's for like another video. I bought this on Amazon. You never know when you're gonna need that for, but that's again for another video. So yeah, so it has this zipper in the front. And oh my gosh, it has this deep pocket from here all the way to the bottom of the backpack. It is so awesome. I have my portable charger, well, two portable chargers, and I just have a lotion in here, but it has a lot of space. And I like the fact that it's not like flat, sort of like this one is more of a bulky space. And so you could put like, you know, things one in front of the other. It's not just like a straight, like flat pocket. So I love that about it. Then we go into like the main pocket up here in the front, as you can see. And look at this. It has another pocket inside. This one, instead of it, I found it odd that you have a pocket and when you stand it up, what are you gonna put in here if the zipper's down here? But this is not the pocket. This is the pocket. Inside, as you can see, my whole hand going all the way to the bottom of the backpack. This is the pocket. And on the opposite side, on this side, it's a mesh. Okay, so that's awesome for you to put any paperwork or like notebooks, anything like that. Then in the middle section, I have this bag, which I'll do another video on as well, because it has a gazillion things inside. So this is already full to the brim. I have this in here. I have my wallet. Well, I have some medication because some allergies and stuff. And don't ask, I have a child, so. But yes, it has this huge space in here. Let me hold it from the top. Huge space in here. Here you can put your laptop or you can put an iPad. I just have bags in there. And in the back side, it also goes all the way to the bottom. It's very stretchy. I love that. The fact that it just, after a while, it doesn't get all like flimsy. That's also a plus. Then you have the pockets in the back. So that's another slot where you can also put either a second laptop or you could put a tablet, anything like that. It has this Velcro strap. It's very stretchy as well. So if you have something that sticks up, you could actually fasten it there. And it has this too as well if you want to put something here on the side and then you can close it up. Also, if you don't need so much space, you can kind of pull it a little bit and make it a little bit more snug and tighter. So anyway, back to this Velcro space. It has one pocket in here, look at my hand, all the way to the bottom of the bag. And then it has another space in the back, all the way to the bottom as well. Then in this side, I don't know if you can see, there you go. I have like sunglasses, more medicine, and a bunch of other things that I threw back there like chargers and wipes or anything like that. So that is a nice size pocket as well. You can fit some clothes in here too. It just doesn't have to be for your laptop and like folders and notebooks and stuff. You can actually put some clothes in here because there's space. See, like it's pretty bulky. But that's not all. The fact that it has a zipper in the back, I was like, are you serious right now? I'll be traveling soon. I'm going to need this pocket. Let me just fold this over. I'm going to need this pocket for like if you're carrying documents or like if you're traveling and you want to put like your passport and things in there, but you don't want to put it in the front because when you have the backpack, it's kind of exposed. You can use this zipper and it's going to be on your back. So you're not going to have someone poking in there. So, well, actually 2 pockets. The back side, not exactly a pocket. So you see how my hand goes through? So you could put this on your luggage, on your carry-on or on your luggage. You can just slide them in and basically like this, and you will have like the handle part go through it. And then, but if you don't want to, you can put it on your back and all your documents go in here. Ta-da! This pocket back here. So I love the fact that it has that pocket for extra security. And of course, I forgot one more pocket. So it has a side pocket right over here. So right next to the front pockets, it has a side pocket, and I love it because you can hang your keys here, or as I did, just add a bunch of cute little things. So here's a closer look. I added these for my daughter to play when we're on long car rides, or I have multiple kids to play. I have a straw in here. And anyway, so, but this is cute because you can hang, let me show it sideways. You can hang your keys or anything you want. In this case, I added an extra carabiner, and so I can put my things inside. But let me show you how, like the size of it. So basically I'm going down to the end and it's about up to here. So that's a pretty good size pocket as well on the side. I thought that was such a cute thing. And so just had to add that in there. I absolutely love this bag. All those pockets, like I just feel like I said pocket like 25,000 times. About $1 for every pocket. But anyway, I love this bag. I hope you do too. It's from Samsonite. I got it from Amazon. Amazon Prime is coming up, so you can get your bag either tomorrow or the day after. Let me know in the comments if you got a really good deal, because I waited patiently until this bag went down. So I'm hoping that for Prime, you guys can get a really good deal on it. Check it out. Let me know what you think about the bag. Let me know if you have any awesome bags for traveling or just for any time in the comments so that I can check them out as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smile, and see you in the next video. Mwah.
Hi from Money Talk. Today I have a review of this